How to become an EMT? The process itself is fairly simple. Your first step is to get involved with a local curriculum in your area, whether it be your university, community college, or an organization that does EMS and EMT training. The second step is obviously to apply. Take the class. Pretty much they guide you from there. As far as the EMT basic class is concerned, this would be your first step on your way to paramedic if you so choose to go all the way through with your paramedic. You'll apply, you'll take the classes, just like any other college curriculum. You'll do hands-on training with each organization, and some more than others. It just depends on the department or the college. After you're done with your in-class instruction, you'll most likely do a lot of hands-on stuff with a local area EMS provider to get some experience actually on the ambulance before you're eligible to apply for your national registry or state certification test. Once you apply for that test, you send in the applicable fees, the application itself, and schedule a testing date and go do the best that you can on the test.